Day in the life as a chef on a yacht. I made the crew some fried eggs and put away the clean dishes. I have an egg sensitivity, so I never know what to eat for breakfast. I ended up making a wrap with ham, cheese, and spinach. I refilled the water dispenser and had a sparkling water.
Why is it spicy?
The boys are working hard outside, so I made some iced tea for them. The crew had some leftovers for lunch, and then I cleaned up my galley. After cleaning, I had a little break in the day, so I went outside and tanned with Thurston. I got back into uniform and went into my galley to start dinner. Tonight, I'm making braised gochujang short ribs with mashed potatoes and broccoli. The other night, I made beef and I had this beautiful cooking liquid left over, so I decided to repurpose it. I added the gochujang, soy sauce, and sugar. And I'll throw that cooking liquid into the Instapot with my short ribs. I picked through every piece of the arugula because it was on its way out, but I wanted to make a salad. Plated up my dish and dinner served. Crew came into the galley to serve themselves. You want some salad? That's a no. That's a no to salad. Short ribs. Honestly, any braised piece of meat is my favorite. For dessert, we have pistachio ice cream. Bye, little chef.
So, I have a story. The other night, it was blowing 50 plus knots. Terrible lightning. It was incredible. We were sleeping forward because we had the dog. He's safe. Abby is downstairs looking out the window at, knowing me and Brian were hustling, pouring down rain, freezing cold. She looked over at the other boats, all the other crews out running around crazy, tying up lines. She saw a lightning strike hit the boat next to us. She curled up in her bed and said, "I hope the cap has it," and hid down there like a chicken for a few hours, because this went on for a long time. So, peace out, little chef.
Going in with some cottage cheese. I don't know how I should do. Do I put milk in this? I'm thinking I put milk in this, right? Yeah, I'm gonna put milk. I hate cottage cheese. I need milk. I think it's the texture for me more than the taste of cottage cheese. When people put it with fruit, I want to throw up. I had cottage cheese one time with pimento cheese, and that was actually pretty okay. All right, so to flavor this up, we're gonna use some cinnamon, coconut flakes, and pudding mix. I'm making a mess and a half. All right, in goes the pudding mix. What the heck is going on? And then cinnamon and coconut. All right, let's taste it. Just see if the flavor is on. It's salty, just like I thought. Maybe some more vanilla pudding mix. That's better. All right, let's put this in the freezer. I'm searing off some short ribs right now. I've got the vent going. Captain just said, "Abby, come upstairs. Let me show you something." So let me show you where it vents out to. Did you see all the flies? Where? Up here, right where my vent is for the kitchen. The flies want all the good smelling beef.
Wow.
Okay, so here's the vent. My exhaust. You see all the flies? They're just swarming up here, look. Flies, flies, flies. Want some short rib. Oh my gosh. They just keep coming. They're so bad. Oops. Who likes my food more, Captain Mark or the flies?
I might have to make enough for breakfast for dinner. Okay.
Brian, you missed a spot on the back of my head.
Brian, the cooler.
See the line? Window.
Yeah, where you couldn't reach anymore.
Right. Look at the color and the glass difference. This is all polished up nice. Above it is faded. Or you're gonna have to stand on his shoulders and put it on.
Does he ever come up from the top and like reach down?
Reach about to the white. That's gonna get it.
There you go.
All right, little chef, have fun.
I'm actually not that tall.
Don't touch his window. spent 14 days with a buffer in my hand with one kid on floats. So
Is there not an easier way to do this?
I mean, it is polished
Can't
up.
you put it on a little stick?
Huh?
Yeah.
We can reach it from this.
Hey, Brian. I really like clean windows. Sorry, yeah, like I like to see the dolphins when I'm cooking while we're underway.
Here, you can
That
jump
is
up
the
on
galley.
It is the galley, yeah.
You know what I'm gonna make? I'm gonna make like a car wash idea, but it's gonna be for yachts. And they go through, they have it? Are you kidding me? And they wax it as it goes through? $1 million idea right there. I've got no guests to cook for, only cooking for crew. So we're gonna go see what their favorite dessert is, and then we're gonna cook it for them. Brian, what's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert? Goodness. Oreos and a glass of milk.
Something that I can make.
That's easy.
No, something that I can make from scratch.
Creme brulee?
Creme brulee?
I love creme brulee.
Okay, creme brulee.
Bye, little chef.
What's your favorite dessert?
Peach cobbler thing.
Peach cobbler? Oh, the pear cobbler that you couldn't eat? His is chocolate chip cookies. He's just a little bitter because Brian and I ate all of the pear cobbler. He told me that he didn't like it. He took a bite of it, he's like, oh, this is disgusting. And then proceeded to get mad when we finished it all. It's a hot day here in the Bahamas, and the boys have been working outside all day long. So I'm making them some Arnold Palmers. I didn't have any plain black tea on board, so they're getting Earl Grey. We have like 7 ice makers on board, but this is my favorite one because it makes the best ice. I don't know what it is about the hollow cubes, but it's aesthetically pleasing. I steeped the tea, made some lemonade, and mixed them together and poured them over ice. Now let's go find the boys. I made you an Arnold Palmer because you're working so hard. Mark got his. Let's go find Brian.
The Atlas guy is at the airport, and they won't let him through. They want him to have a work permit to fix our power.
Are you serious? Brian!
Yeah.
I made you an Arnold Palmer. Catch.
Thank
Oh my
you.
gosh, look at that watch tan.
You like that?
It's pretty bad.